Holiday visitation. Let's talk about it. My name's Carl Burkhead. I'm an attorney with Worth Law Office in Tulsa, Oklahoma. I've been doing family and criminal law for about 7 years now, and I want to help you make law easy by talking just a little bit about holiday visitation and how that interacts with a regular visitation schedule. So, if you are in a situation where you're maybe in early stages of a custody case, or maybe you and your co-parent don't have a formal custody or visitation order, you have questions about it. I just want to explain a little bit about how these schedules work and how they kind of interplay with regular visitation. Anyone who has a custody order already in place should be able to look at their order and see, usually in big bold letters, holiday visitation supersedes regular visitation. What does that mean? That means that, let's say, the purposes of this example, that Christmas is on a weekend, and it's supposed to be dad's weekend to have the child during regular visitation, but it's supposed to be mom's time to have Christmas. Mom wins. Like, mom's holiday visitation trumps that. Or let's say, because usually the holiday breaks will get broken up. One parent gets one half the break, the other parent gets the other half of the break. In those instances, the regular weekend visitation gets suspended, and the holiday visitation takes over. It supersedes whatever the regular weekend visitation is. Um, when after the holiday ends, getting back into the regular visitation, different parents and different court orders handle it differently. Some parents will just do, well, we'll just start weekend visitation up right where we left off. Or some parents will literally look at a calendar and say, well, if we had been doing the week every other weekend, then this would have been my weekend, this would have been your weekend. Unless there's specific language in the court order dictating when and how to resume regular visitation, what I always encourage my clients to do is just try to do what works best for their schedules and what works best for the child. Um, Ultimately, it all comes down to trying to do what is best for the child and making sure that the child gets an equal amount of time with both parents. If you have questions about it, if you have concerns, if you got a holiday visitation schedule that you don't think works or that you want to get it reworked, absolutely give us a call. My name is Carl Burkhead. I'm with Worth Law Office, and I want to help you make law easy.